is up, guys? It's Mabeen here and welcome back to a new video. Now today this is going to be a different kind of series where we just go and try and fix some stuff up. This is giving me a lot of My Mate Vince vibes, but basically this power supply works, but there's a lot of dust and stuff in it, right? And I really want to get it out and clear it up and make this thing look nice, because this is an Xbox 360. It's not an ordinary Xbox 360. I stuffed a PC inside of it, so yeah, it doesn't look the greatest, but it's fine for me. What I'm gonna do is get an Xbox 360 hard drive, take the hard drive out of it, and keep the enclosure so I can stick in, a regular hard drive in here. There you go. So this one, the top one here, is the actual operating system, and this one here, that's where all my games are stored. So I do play some games on this for the fun of it, and I actually do use it. So about this power supply then, this power supply makes like a static sound, if that's the right way to say it. A good way to explain it is, remember CRT, those old school like big ass box TVs, right? And when you turn them on, you hear like a high pitch. Yeah, that's what this thing makes, right? It does go away after a while, but it still annoys me, and plus it's got a lot of crap inside of it, so we're gonna clear it out. Now you see there's 3 screws here, and I did try and take this apart just before I started filming, but then I thought I might as well record the process. So yeah, I pulled the rest of the screws back in so we can start again, but it turns out that these screws don't go in anymore, so I've got 3 extra screws. Okay, so let's get started with the process then. Oh yeah, and you can see this TV. Yeah, that's so that I can see it, everything. So that's why these old TVs, if you don't need it, come useful. So let's start taking off these screws. I hope my head doesn't get in the way. All right. Yeah, this, for some reason this does that, I don't know why. Yeah, this power supply is not the greatest, but it's fine. Okay, let's take those out. And let's take this one out. And after I took out those screws, something's shaking in there. I think it's the actual motherboard itself, which I am actually crapping myself about. But anyways, let's just unscrew this, shall we? Nope, never mind, that's not. There we go. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description and it will be somewhere here. I actually have put pictures of me building this thing, so go follow me over there, because I'm still not finished with this, so you can see sneak peeks and updates and stuff like that on videos and stuff. But anyways, let's just let's get this fan grill thing out of the way. For these things, if these really do annoy you, like the Phillips screws, if they don't come out properly, try using just a regular flathead, because depending on how big it is, it should be enough to get these out. So let's do this then, shall we? There we go. Yep. And sometimes it's even more effective. And yeah, as you can see, I've just done this before, but I'll put it back again. I couldn't even take it off. So anyways, and plus I'm really happy that I've got this TV here to see myself in, because on this camera the screen is super tiny, and I don't know how I used to film myself looking at that. There's one more screw left. Okay, there we go, and hopefully I don't have to take this off. That would be really annoying. And as you can see here, yeah, I did bend this out of the way because it was stopping it from coming out. Now let's see if I can take this out. Oh, okay, I'm a bit worried about that. That's rattling in there. And by the way, this power supply hasn't been powered in probably like a week and a half. So that's so I think I'm safe. I don't have any anti-static wristbands or whatever to ground myself, so I don't short or kill myself. But yeah, anyways. flipping screws under here. That's nice. Why didn't I look under these labels? I don't know. Anyways, how many screws are left? Just one here. That's annoying. Okay, so I literally just bent the metal to yank it off for no reason. That's nice. There we go. Okay, let's get this screw out of it before I lose it. Put these over to the side, and yeah, I think I bent the metal, but anyways. Oh, that's disgusting. So this is starting to, I'm a bit worried. I'm really worried. This started rattling in here. You know, we'll figure it out after, it's okay. But anyways, let's just clear this all out then, shall we? Here's a fan. So yeah, again, I'm actually kind of really scared right now. I really don't want to die. That's all. So yeah, so a bunch of dust. So if I can unplug this fan, that would actually be great. Okay, I don't think I can. Oh, great. Where's my brush? Okay, here's my brush that I use to clear out all the dust. So let's do that, shall we? This is all such a mess. I should have just taken this 360 PC apart and taken out the power supply itself. But anyways, let's do this thing. Alright, so I'm back and I just had to go get my vacuum cleaner so I could clear out the power supply dust inside. So I'm just gonna quickly get this hose all straight and stuff. Okay, and I'll drink some of my tea.
Into the mouth.
Nice. Okay. Let's turn this on, it'll get loud. Actually, I'll put it on low and let's start. Alright guys, so I've finished clearing out the vacuum inside, and I think I have discovered why this power supply is making all the noise and stuff, and that is because some of the caps inside of here are starting to bulge, which is definitely not a good thing, and it could result in this thing exploding, or not exploding but dying with a really big bang if I use it. So I'm a bit worried about that. Some of the caps actually look good, like this big one and these two big ones here, they're not bulging. But some of these ones here, if I'll zoom in, the quality may not be as great. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but right there, these ones, yeah, these ones, you can see that the metal thing is starting to break. I think I've got some spare caps in my collection of taking things apart and, you know, desoldering and practicing, because I do keep the caps in cases like this, and I'm a bit worried about taking off the caps and resoldering new ones in, because I might destroy it and I could kill myself in the process. So I think I'll keep this for now, and then I'll just save up and get a new power supply if I want to. after I get a new power supply, I could keep the caps and stuff, some of the good ones actually, and this fan is really good. Actually, you know what, let me read how much voltage this takes in. 12 volts, okay, cool. So yeah, if I were to get like a 12 volt power supply in here, I could just use this fan for something else. I don't know. This switch sounds good. This jack works as well. Some of these wires are really good, you know. So for now, I think I'm getting a bit ahead of myself, but yeah, for now I'm just gonna use it. But I'm seriously a bit worried about this. I think I'll start looking for some replacement power supplies. And this one also doesn't really look like a good one. It looks really generic. Alright, so it's been a bit, and I just had to move the footage over to my computer. So let me just get this mover out the way, and let's get back on the ground, and I'll start putting this thing back together again. Sorry about that, it took a bit long. So everything's all back into place now. I just gotta put this back on, and I can't do anything about the bend. Yeah, I can't do anything about that, but I did bend this back into well, mostly back into shape. I mean, it's still bent, but I don't know how long the last recording went on for, because I didn't have any more storage left on the memory card, so I don't know if it got cut, but I'll let you know during editing. But anyways, let's just put this back on. Oh my days, I'm the most stupidest idiot in the world. I was doing it wrong all this time. Luckily, this was being fast forwarded, so let me just quickly screw this piece of crap back in, so I don't have to do it there. Okay, let's put one here, and let us, there goes my laptop's charge as well now. That's great. And let's put this one back here. Cool. So I think that's okay now. I'll put the rest of the screws after I put this back on. Okay, come on then. Push that back in. And screw everything back into place. Now, you know, I think those two screws that I talked about earlier, I think now I know where they go. I think they're meant to go here. If I can screw this in, I think these are the screws. Nope, they're not. Okay, cool. At least we learned a lesson. Look under the labels. I think that's the most obvious thing, but I just forgot about it. Okay, there we go. So yeah, about this random, you know, fixing things. So basically, the reason why I did this, again, I'm just going to explain it properly now while I have the chance. So the reason why I'm doing this is because so many people give me suggestions on what to make, right? So I thought, you know, I've got a lot of stuff that I could fix and stuff, so why don't I just upload it, why don't I record it and upload on YouTube, just for the sake of, you know, if anyone needed some sort of help, you know, they got it, right? So that's why I'm doing this. So if you want, you could say that this is my mate Vince inspired. That's why I did the Virgin Media booster install. Hopefully you guys have checked that out. I think that was a really good video. Shout out to Nihao as well. Is there any more screws? Oh, I think that's it. Okay, so I just got the let's just clean this up. Yeah, so shout out to Nihao and shout out to Abid. So yeah, I'll do more videos just like this, so I can have a little bit of a break from all my tutorial type videos and stuff. What we want to do is, if you have anything that you need to screw in, do it in an X pattern. So, well, this pattern, so, because basically you're applying the same amount of pressure, because if you do it here, you don't know how much pressure each thing is holding on, so it could fall off, it could be weak, you know what I mean? Hopefully I didn't break anything. If I broke anything, I'll be really annoyed. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, let's see. Oh, it looks a bit cleaner now. I mean, on camera it doesn't really look that much, it doesn't look like there's much of a difference, but I have, you know, cleaned out the fans and stuff. and inside it looks really good. So let's zoom up. Okay, and this thing, I'll just probably get a hammer to it. Yeah, I'll just get a hammer to it or something like that, and hammer it back in place. Let's just quickly turn the torch off. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly get all of this cleared up, and we'll be right back, and I'll power this on. Okay guys, so I just had to record this on my phone now because the camera just died. So basically I've got everything set up here. I just cleared everything up, and so yeah, let's just quickly turn the switch on. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know if it comes up on the video, but yeah, you can, but the static is still there. So let's just power this on. Hopefully nothing blows up, and if it does, then yeah, okay, yeah. And that power button, I put it to work on that, so yeah, I'm happy. So let's see here. Yeah, and it works. Okay, let's just load up into my hard drive here. And I know everything here does look like a mess. So yeah, I will be making more videos so I could, you know, finish this up and call this project done. So also, let me just tell you now quick, I've got Windows 7 and Zorin OS on the same hard drive, just in different partitions. So one thing I am very happy about is when you install Zorin alongside another operating system, it gives you this boot thing. So let's just click on to Windows 7 here, and you may hear a nice surprise when it loads up. Okay, here we go. Yes, I put the Windows 98 sound on this. Let's quickly log in. And don't ask why I named it Asus. So I had to do all this custom work as well, to put all the wallpapers and make it look original and stuff, right? Luckily this power supply still works and I didn't kill it. And yeah, so thank you guys very much for watching. This was a quick, well, depending on how long you guys are watching this now, this was a quick video, and all I needed to do is to clear out the power supply on this. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching again. Shout out to Nihao and Abid, and I will see you guys in the next video.